not sure that I'm allowed to be here with my car, but there's no signs that said that I could not. I hope no one's coming this way. Hopefully to get out of here there's another road, because I don't want to do this climb on my way back. Qué guay. Hey, welcome to Live in Barcelona. My name is Benjamin. I hope you're new to the channel. If not, welcome back. Today I'm in Cascada de Llinars. It's my first time here. I just drove about 2 hours to get here, and the road that I took to get here is a bit sketchy, but I just realized there's a main big highway on this side, so I guess if I choose another route it would be much easier on the camper. So it's a bit late. The sun is about to go out, so I'm gonna prepare to... I have to find a place where I can spend the night. I'm not sure if I can do it here or not. I just saw a nice flat area by the waterfall, but I think this is private property. If I was the owner of this land and I was fed up with people getting into my property, I would put up a sign saying private property, do not disturb or do not enter. But I see no sign whatsoever. But yeah, I can tell that this land is private. I don't want to be an intruder, because I would not like that to happen to me if it was my land. So I'm just gonna park over here and get ready to spend the night here in this parking area. Hey, good morning. We just woke up and we are doing a small walk, a short walk. It's a little bit overcast, as you can see, but that's nice. We don't get so hot like yesterday. And we are just walking around. Let me show you. So when we passed by this house when we were driving by, and some people were working on it. So as you can see, they're renovating it. It will be amazing to live here by the water, but you're so far from anything else that it's too secluded. If you have a family and the family needs to go to the school, you need to work, it's too far. Otherwise it will be a dream, at least for me. And I can notice right away, since it's the weekend and we are parked by a highway, there's lots of super bikes or motorbikes going by super fast. You can hear the engine starting. Wow! Here in Spain, they love motorcycles. Luckily, the cars do respect them a lot, but still, there's many accidents. It's very common to hear about a crash or something that happened to a motorcyclist, but to each its own. I was taking the morning very easy. I was drinking my coffee, having a good time, very relaxed. And the more I wait, the more people that arrive to this area. And I wanted to try catch some fish. I do catch and release. I don't kill any fish, but the challenge with this kind of creeks here in Spain is that the fish, they get scared very easy. If you take a small step, anything that makes vibration, even subtle vibrations, they detect it and they take off. So in Chile, in a creek like this, I will be flying left and I will be fishing left and right. But here, they get scared super easy. Okay, after much struggle, I was able to, maybe you will not able, I'm not able to focus it, but the older I get, the blinder I get. I'm blind as a bat. Like I said, with water being this clear and the sun hitting me, they can see me. So most likely, if there's any bigger fish here, he's already spooked. They try to catch it, but they're just too small. I can see how they try to get it, but they're super tiny. I'm not gonna try to show it in camera because it's impossible, but yeah. But if there's small fish, there has to be a bigger fish that put those eggs. So, but I'm wondering that I have not seen any. Usually you can see them. Even if they're not catching your fly, you can see the movement under the water, you can see them going to catch your fly and then aborting it. But I only see small fish. I don't see any bigger fish. That's weird. Okay, I tried, but no luck. I can see plenty of very, very small fish. I'm talking about 2 centimeters long, maybe less. But no activity of bigger fish, which makes me wonder why. With such prime water, maybe it's because it's too visited by humans or what? Muy bien, Blue. ¿Vamos al agua? Venga, vamos al agua. Vamos al agua, al agua, al agua. Muy bien, Bambú. Muy bien. It's full of small fish, maybe like this big. And I want to see if there's any bigger fish or not. So let's jump in the water. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's the snake. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's under that rock. Okay, I don't know if the camera was able to catch it or not because it was underwater, but I found the snake. It's the second time I encountered a snake underwater here in Spain. The first time was when I was with my daughter, and now this is the second time. In Chile, I have never seen a snake underwater. And now I'm looking before I step on another snake. I don't know if you can see it or not. There she is, right there. Okay, so we will leave her alone. I don't want to bother her anymore. Okay, this is it. There's not much to show you besides the waterfall, the snake, and the small fish. This is it. The place is very beautiful. It's close to Barcelona. So until the next one, thanks for coming along. Thanks for staying till the end. Give it a like. I need it. It helps. Until the next time we leave Barcelona, see ya. A dung beetle already did its dung ball and it's pushing it.